Good morning, Doc Louie. This is Jason Lazarate from IT3M2. This is my finished first part of my slide scroll game, which involves splash screen and the first stage of my game. So this is my splash screen. As you can see, it has its own splash design concept. It has my title, which is the One Piece. It has my name, Jason Lazarate, and my section. So let's move on to the code of this splash screen. As you can see, I use if-else statement in this code. If that key code is equals to keys.enter because if pinindot mo yung keys na enter, ayun yung lalabas. And if kunwari naglagay ka rin ng keys.h, pag pinindot mo yung H, lalabas yung form 2. So, let's move on to the first stage of my game. So, as you can see, we have the character Luffy and the background, which is One Piece. So, now, let's move on to the code of this form 2. As you can see, gumamit din po ako ng if-else statement dito, gaya po ng tinuro nyo. So, dito sa code na to, mapapagalaw natin yung character ng game, which is Luffy. So, if key code is equals to keys.write. Keys.write kasi nga, yung arrow natin na right ang pipindutin if magra-write yung character. So, x is equals to x plus 1, and if x greater than is equals to 4. 4 kasi yung 4 yung sprites na nilagay ko. So, x is equals to 0. So, luffy.image is equals to image.form file. Application.startup plus yung akin to na file is kinuha ko dun sa bin, debug, and gumawa ako ng folder dun at nilagay ko yung sprites ko dun. Kaya Luffy yung pangalan ng sprites ko. Doon naman sa left, ganun din yung ginawa ko. Ang naiba lang is gumawa ko ng panibagong file wherein yung Luffy nilagyan ko ng L palatandaan sa left. Dito naman sa up and down, ginamit ko yung luffy.top kasi pag top means X and Y axis. So now, papakita ko po paano gumagana yung game. So press enter to start. Yan. Tapos makikita nyo po na gagalaw si Luffy. Yan. Ito po yung right na code natin. Okay. Ito naman po yung pa left. And ito po yung pa up. And down. So that's all for my prelim examination. The first part of my side scroll game, which involves splash screen, and the first stage of my game.